Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Techiman One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Everything from Mama Aquaba Shonko at the bar Too Much GH. So money about some phone and ama Oguswa in na ebreno to say dia not to say training issues bread and aso na Ghana so and sema air cost wo Ghana and sema we here dikano and also any di etuja our training issues emuna ene ensema yedi ni ebeko ho eye about one echi declaration echi no and sema amani humi so and radia cry so ewo eye rich kwan so ebra not to say minority leader Haruna Idris wodi eye minority members of parliament enima womo eko EC office any petition akotuja and sema bobo ba ho e chira sem te say Ghana asisi ano akoye nsem after abato na nke nim say kasumdwe ena sadbe yeni ebeje wo ena to say yakoso aye yenumedie say wo minanso abato na chi no de ekaka kono mentimi wase no ene nsem a ebobo ba no aye bebre na ennepa de yebehwe Techiman South Sesia eye bia ensema man humi so ewo mentimi wase a NDC for epeja afa eye result ye fence EC e release ede afa presidential no ewo any ebiom so no member of parliament dia wo mo de betu dwa wo mo enyom wonti asem nia no ye ni ebe ko wa ye behwe mu eye pa na meka ne san na pate se mi wo bi wa ha me no ebe ye sa eye ade no na atese ye behwe mu nti me mo amene ma eye wo ye mi electoral area Assemblyman wada no Mr. Patrick Ewuku member na memano Akwaba Shonko na yenhye enkomo na ase prekope Mr. Patrick mema wo Akwaba
mejosu miniaba
bibi aboko
nyame adom nemo me electoral area din obora so mo ni ya medo kokoto
ne me hu amani edin die me pacho boni ye mami
wo ye man
me pacho
ye man enkra kasa wo ye man
pacho sesen
akoko fita ne makro what you say
okay.
Wo ye man
okay woye man bacho sa ena electoral area no edi esipata ono ena assemblyman awada no sa NPP representative nti ebedi nkomo edi afa sa ensem no buta for waba on board na mema wakwa abashronko wo hwe ya wodi weni edi eche no nkomo no wo so kan hu bi ama no NCP nti wo patcho wo hwe no na wo de comment edi to da na biem so wo bomodin a share video we on all the social media platforms na be ya ama for the donor so betimi aba on board na wo so abetro madwe afa enkomo a ye bedi ehun na Mr. Patrick we die Techiman South seat no dispute bebre ena ama no miso ewo ho a free declaration ebesi ene yeti ayedi nkomo enra da krampo no minority members of parliament wo mo ekom bom kra ye protest kakra de kopiemu ewo isemu ehun sensem de aye bebre aba no so wo mo kire se ya mo kwan isimpo anye wo mo petition wo mo de koto enimpo na police forces wo mo kwan ni ano sa argument where a man who me so Techiman South no ye be dey a clear no because ECC we declare we what the pink sheet are better abonte parliamentary they were found by presidential no they better abonte and NPP for to dey to me say wo no manya the seat of Techiman South and this for say that be wo mo nipa Christopher Beyere so no nya and I almost who pick sheet which is one of the air proof say san e sifate and it is science and we be there settle a woman
yo dedi kama memfa enchia kese ema ya hwefo anopai na menchia Ghana mampanya ya satoaba aino na adodanko akufuado ene na bedi ya chire Dr. Baumia menchia minua Martin James Akosa
okay
Techiman for satoaba yino certified result declared by EC say Martin James Akosa why me boss akope
Techiman South Constituency
yes ya to abayi no hozo mechia no mani trim kwa minim se Techiman fo ehun ni pa ewo ne ho ene gidi o manya wonimu ntino mato aba na me fa kwanya wi so enchia me am boss minu ye panyi eye Patrick Yaw Buama honorable eye MP for Constituency Central me nana se wo ne shishe pa the leadership role or play in making sure so Constituency Central ebe jina bria ebe konkan
okay
nti yeda na sepa na enneso so me youth organizer ne birthday nti minia Oliver ba nyankopon emma nkwa tenten na adwuma na woye no yero ho ne koso ye minia ba yato aba awie the processes of elections say enye hidden so utie Professor Jambo na sembi oba bontin beka ya also since 92 ye ka aba netwo ne very transparent this year election
2020
yes
okay
because from the onset at the core scene everything was very transparent. You see it me a day the gazetted police centers about betuga who finger of God womb ya to about there's not a single police station or bit makasi and to about honest you declare results what I say
yeah
in spite of COVID protocols bibia timi course very smooth obia nya kwan koto naba etuma nipa kro peso otuma no obia no why see ni kwan ya nya challenge bia o baby gonna the this abete na ye to aba nya ntu nie kwa na ballot box ne eburu nkrofo and this time it didn't happen like that.
Obasi enya a mishap ewo bia kakra ti say ewutu senya Techiman South Horn Calculation Center Ablikuma Central.
It wasn't during the voting.
During the voting ewutu senya de no or try to of ballot box at the free year center honum.
Satem ya kan wi.
Oh that be say midway through the vote and ebiem ka no some parts no your complaint say ye abatu no ballot papers no yatete candidates ni bi etf mu anytime no ye nya mishap kakaka
eno no ye enema bi a at the end of the day no I na etasi wo abatu but say okohwe over the years the manipulations are not what ya abatu mu a we are just about 1% of it.
Okay.
What do I say? Entimi mase beto aba wati waka me bi emba. Na me fa ba bi a me mpefia so nye mfanto ho. Ye to aba wie ye police station bako ncha ye fe ha Church of Christ. Oma kan aba na wie e declare results no bia ni ho achinye. Obia agene pink sheet. Aka electoral officers no say almost so dey omo documentations no more documents no omo ne akutument nyina beko e circulating center police ni oka officials no ho no ejina taxi e mo di gumu say omo fanko ye nyan man disifu na e wo ho so monte ase e ma taxi da ban kwa ye omo bro no
say police ni na ejina ni ntia na.
Set taxi now, I don't know the damn mukako. So when we followed and got to the collating center, boys now no mujina hono back. Now my friend I'm so say look at the number of taxis a deep ballot papers. No neighbor. What crime is it? Ya bano ya tuwi ya kenkanya wi. Obi ojena obi at the result. What sign? Pink sheet has gone out. At the end of the game. Unless there be obi ready objection be I was a collecting center, as I call kind beam. But there was nothing like that. Was there the need to create that scene? I'm a taxi driver. I ain't crossing. What do you say? Until you say, oh, chef, send him away. Yes, you're about to be a bill. But so, all the compare over the years. About I can tell you. So, we. Aya batwa Ghana fu nyina di ho adanse say isi ye na dwuma se ne sefata amasumdie ye hu asumdie nia aba chire ni nyina na ye the aftermath of the elections so ye to aba ni wie hu sunsun so ne beto abonten no na ye no members but I don't blame them. That electoral commissioner declare elections. Odika Bonanado. The voter unyaye and the percentage which was higher than John Muhammad here. When you bought John Muhammad here, then the people started jubilating. Hey! Meanwhile, the president didn't be. So why were they jubilating? I can't catch it. Because I did no they prepared their minds even before the elections. All that they are doing, the hula baloo and praying, they started preparing the minds of their supporters 3 months before the elections.
To only say about
a daylight scene. Mommy. Police station be no afeni ya to aba na wie.
Okay.
And this is the process. Uko ho follow the protocols. Udru ho ya tipi pa de ama. Ya check you udin, ya verify o. Ya te we yi de ama. Akọ presidential, akọ to, o de abetum. Uwi ya akọ parliamentary table ho akọje.
Abet no ato no aba.
Now de abetum, uwi ya okufi.
Yeah.
Eduru anumre no. Oma wo fufu awie, oma fira dwuma mu ba ne ade nyina. Nipa bebrebe gina ho. E ma ye kan ba 1 2 3. Ye wie ye no, ye kikasi ani e declare result e wo police center ho. E ho e to aba na ye declare result ho. Ye declare we are ya till be a pink sheet at the amano. Near San Crati be the Santare ho. Amo be in the Enso NPP pink sheet. And so NDC pink sheet. The pink sheet is 1.
Okay.
What is in no more agents holding in? They got their pink sheet.
Okay.
During all this processing, there were observers missions, local and international. I almost go air patrol call rounds. I feel all these processes. Into say I pinch it in our bag. They had a calculating center. A hollow, a who say, okay, okay, central. There were 137 police centers. Okay, what the special booty beka ho a ko nanim yangi kan nyina mum na ye hwede obi nkunim. Na we a serious political party. Pa yen NPP for Okanko Center, for instance. before say ye move akọ the EC collating center for the constituency, now we already have our result through the pink sheet.
Okay.
NDC for will be next to you will be no.
All right.
Yay, any man you to say, Abrohu. You need to declare within 5-10 minutes, we should have our result. Until we started putting things in place, just set it up. You go get your laptop, you get a pink sheet, you get a BBI, the collated result. To go and confirm, say, pink sheet now, the police onto others, nearby, ya. Say, say, NPP, not 100, and no, and a war ECD also.
Alright.
You could do, you know. Yeah, dear. Any ECD, no. There was no problem with it. But you could do one. I do bedroom crime sorcery and this for an omotihono. Because pink sheet Nikitan do almost any manual. Yankee can see any manual. And if a police way NPP say, NDC say, you only check from your pink sheet say, figure no boy and the audience one. Because the entire pink sheet be different. One pink sheet and a training we are to tell your mom.
Okay.
What you say? NDC agent are not to honor. Or look at the secretary says booker easy a boy now what to figure or to no mistake. Is also be share a confirm from or no any pink sheet so no. Yeah, pink sheet in that ho and the secretary laptop until you never mobile. We just go straight and check. So the no okay kanana.
Nti metiwasi mpacho we de mamembrem kaka na metiwasi no omo officials no mo nye trained enough and say na omo ni madwumadie na omo bi
media de mi hu wo me center na make ho asem
na ho na gina bi
and that tells you how MDC is.
Okay.
What you say? Nti ebe wie no figure the total figure no ye de what be share ho no calculate na dia na are they up. I remember there were some incidents over or go over more than 3-4 times. Emma easy guy, no, I have to mention the figures again. After I mention a figure, no, say 83, we are not 84. It's not one figure. If in spite of the pink sheet, no, on one figure, no, they pay attention. No mistake, and it wasn't adding up. Okay. Sad way and the elections. No.
All right.
Until you are too abandoned a year. Police station, you declare no.
Okay.
You collating center, I could declare the elected assembly, parliamentary candidate. Okay. Your ban national ever declare because it's only the commissioner and or the returning officer for the presidential elections. And the hono will be also put up in the figure. We are forwarded the aba. Now we are forwarded the national. Now the national officers also. I can't see any. Now you declare result no. All the regions throughout Minano. If an NDC officials answer and say these are the certified results. If an man say
Techiman South, Yembra.
I'm not talking about because national.
Okay.
Region by region, we have 16 regions.
Yes.
If an NDC answer pink sheet and say this is a certified result. If an man say, huh? If a pa no man sign into cook apai. Ya to aba awie ewiase nyina aboga na ba so say ya tumi to aba wa so wiemu ya declare result awie I declare Nando say he's the president elect. Ama other presidential aspirants nyina atimi ebinu kwa konefie ebinu frɛ no bona baso
yeah
man nkunimdie say oh yeda say wadi nkunim na asat na this is how do munyintu so a mo fa mo pinchit na kramra na mo de mo ntiase no mo amunye upsat now and this for beka just afi no mo quality or mo result pinchit grade afi no mo di ekireji and yet they are on the street and it's a one quality or result o say can pinchit ever check your result who say eko nifa ana benkum na wo de nkofo ma akogu street so no mo hye tie say niema so why are they on the street if you don't have your facts? O pinch it say you know what quality that is why you can argue to say the results has been gazetted. The gazetted result no the mran is say gazetted you have 21 days to go to court. Someone take a sia and yet tie and the market no they will go to court. It is only court that can order the Electoral Commission. Obeti o argument ni bi wo monsanye editing yensanye hwe figures ni bi. You don't have the right to instruct easy to do that. It's only court that can instruct easy to do that.
Okay.
And obi a wadi o man so da awunim se niema we nyina no you are behaving like akwara okita bofrota ya Jeffrey Nze.
Edu ono
Tiza akwara bi okita bofrota se toya ya Jeffrey Nze. Very desperately mama ati Dubai na de kika ho nkofo mma de omunkugu street so omkoshi market.
Mr. Uku, so I'm making mention of that. Any yenko EC ne jumedie eso. Se si ano Ghana for the na kase EC jumedie no do say voting time no voting period no to collation na say things were open transparent, but after the declaration no maybe wo wa nka se womu ebi nya omo nti ase no nka betimi abeda petemu na to obi nya no nti ase say na etie meka akwesi pink sheet no wa posti ye ebi nusu ka se enka de enka be ma atiniti na aye adwuma ne se enka all the over 38,000 polling stations to work na to go to me posti wo bia polling station nka wo protesting you say okay almost signature woni niam say what must to demonstrate, but a man is some particular posting pink sheet out there, but say and workers I will say your gazette result. What is the transparency in
Mommy, we saw a question.
Okay.
I was here at the Abasubo, my Electoral Commission this time around. 2012. When the pink sheet at all the page.
To be an yes, sir.
Huh? No, yes, sir. Yeah. This is the first time. So easy. A person named Mudaho Kaintino. Or to some name, Ama Bibia, wait, your trouble we are paid. You took pink sheet money and TV to the Atari polling center. So, bear the no man tell no about who say, and they declare.
Okay.
Okay. Intino, yes. 2012. Emra NPP. The number na jo. Kika ye pinch it ebomuno. You rely on the EC. You rely on the EC because EC there when declare certified result what sign what two pink sheet the amount on one way. They make cannot say.
Yeah, me too.
I didn't declare no. And I'm catching the polling center no. You declare result to you declare we to a sign a certified result. Is in your we in your say. When you say, you boy somebody to me we are asa a certified result. Then we take it from there near the back collating center. ɛhɔ ne yɛbɛkeka ne nyinaa si anim ɛhɔ so party bia so agent hɔ party bia ɔyɛ serious and interested in the election bia ne agent hɔ
okay
ɛhɔ no if firi hɔ so a na ɛsensan wie a pink sheet no easy on foul or to take the map parties involved. Party be over biano or take Betty the don't call agent or Betty the man or Betty the man udike or Betty the man all the parties involved. You don't need easy. So I'm from you on my website and send a what to me equally to result. Then you are not serious. 2012 easy. I didn't run it to website. Not page to website. No. But NPP, we were able to collect our result. Because you go for a home intimidation. Amma soja foko ransaki party office ko bubu ekose niema wo honi niema bebre. Because no one knew how we are doing it. Inti omo kasa easy. Emphasize niema ne mara no. They shouldn't forget where we are coming from. The EC is trying its best. I'm not here to speak for them. But they all know. Yay NPP for. They also collecting result. Now other parties were collecting result. Media, the role the media play. I say Boma Baso. Media house swinging na edin crofo kwa bonten polling station to polling station. Onya ko ne ebo aha yenya ayi akufuado wanya say we anya say na media station so quality omso results. Apart from XYZ, tell me media house kwa am I different figures. Inti media for cry you have been under attack. You say Peace FM na Joy FM for ni ade o ma nya de o ma kwaji sika na you have been insulted and been attacked here and there because omo ti omo ho ase. And look at the disgraceful atmosphere. Say omo a ye de Ghana sika ebom ho ka so omo kwose mrama ye no mutimi nimbra so. Kofa pink sheet ye de pen and actually the center. Electoral Commission this time around. The pink sheet or the buy no. Polling station by polling station be a din ye printing also. Ya fa pen e try ye. It's obi kofa different pink sheet. So be dan ko dada day. But dada Ghana for and then oma ko sheto kro bi akoy editing video I tell say Jane Mesa e declare results no ma John Mahama adanko dada dey and you ho and they are claiming it. Now I don't blame them because so uma so fu binum dey and concentrating nada and ma wini abakwa wini ofu ma wi and e kotra ko ne ko do president na janye na yenye nsusu ye transaction so na yenye nsusu yenye yadwuma o jase enti en concentrate niema ye kihye ye kwame drama mi benya 50 de be amamu no he still dreaming o hwe ayi anum bi me panyum ne pa so bi nyane me say ye dae na me so bi I like the video o hwe ko fori na odi akesesemo obeda na ebenyane no ne ade afi odia nani obopitiri nyade no da konya so oda bench bi so mi wa da ye mu no sa ana yi na owo botai bi ene trimupo bi ewo ni trim le dae so sese nyo no na president dia ye mu Ghana ni mu ase after ya was West Ogun incident otimi ko frede diplomatic call and you video it has nothing to do with ayawaso A soldier for be our colleague woman quite ye. Could you video the child of mon share? Sir, boys in the choir, so why you are so weird on Mojo money. This is how you want to paint Ghana. And in your oh yeah, and the party for na Moshishi market name say a boom for babes near Dinano is to demonstrate to the international community that Ghana is not peaceful. Now come for Bonia or shame comes from money bono or money bought Timubi. And the airbus 17 million or moving to coin. The boy. Jo mani ba yingina yetimu ha.
Mr. Patrick, sesia yakeka alpha the ekoso abato nichi but sesia no ebe se yen focus ewo Techiman South Constituency no emu ehun sem no ebe se yen focus wo kakra. According to NDC no one more pink sheeter one more polling agent no e di abro mo at say bibia indicate say parliamentary seat wo Techiman South Constituency no one more candidate Christopher Bayre and Ewini. But easy declare say NPP ne wini. Sa ho no krampo no sa dispute to crown by omo chire the course wo ho omo polling officer wo call no na ebe chire mu na some polling not no na te say abanu kra nye collected omo nshedan ni ntumi na so na declare the NPP for result woman na declare say woman no wafa na te say obi emi say obi asem na te say move on. Enti me sap bebre e course wo ho. Enti if not anything grandpa enka easy no and stating it clearly emphatically say this is what happened in Techiman Collins Techiman South Calling Center. This is what happened. Results are buy enam so Emma NPP candidate no ever sitting no me bie mu no ma kire no me to and only one of the most anticipated pink sheet Ghana for person who no money clear say ne sifate but on TV fair no my out. Just the presidential no and what they about and no crampo no figures no what are they upper. It exceeds the total valid voter. Just say one more edit trouble. Today not just say confusion no say things are not as clear and only confusion. And why is it going on like that?
Minia, I took my time to take you through the electoral process.
Yes.
Polling center, and community center.
Yeah.
Many ni say NDC for they are telling us the real story. And I'm get a different pink sheet now. Media for now, not omuko round. And omuko results no. Omuko results at the momo media houses near there no. Are they giving us different figures? Who is even siding with the NDC? Say, say ni adana ko ni say. In other case, me did say elections dispute. Yen kano street so.
No cry.
Yen kano jachichi mu. Yen kano court. Ese patapa piutu de mra na ede be. Euro. Intino say, who did he say? Who did he say? No. Adansi die and as evidence be a say muna mu wini ya. Proceed to court. One when this for emra aji megaphone say obe declare results amukoye ho basa koje ayi megaphone free ni nsa ne ade no were they paying attention? Were they paying attention? Yan kan kire nyanom when this for gone are the days and near the ahoden and the elections and your brains now this time of the elections. Gone are the days I did macho and your brains because titimire mu ana okujina ho akantinka obakufo se mutimi to abaten se mmereli nyina twam in the modern world ani biaba me bomba ze be kakrakra Ghana ha no asa wotu aba no yebekọ electronic system wotu na equality wotu na equality so that at the end of the day no kan say ni ma we nyina no ye nkoti bi engineer say omo anom the American elections Papa so on Tiasi Okoko. Demonstrate is your right. But who demonstrate men question sense nema, men question tie. Be law abiding. And I'm urging the minority in parliament to give us a responsible opposition, but not irresponsible opposition. Somebody nema basa. A probably you declare on the 7th. So nyame ya adom na Yesu ama. Na adodankwa akufuado. You be sworn in. Obeto aso aye na dwuma because Ghana for e won mu gidie over 500,000 votes. And 40,000 na eno kra no NPP ya twho dawre 40,000. And former the late president must at the winning election 40,000. And now we are talking about 500,000 margin. Oh please, John Mahama. Sawada. Omunyane no feeling die.
Mr. Uku Bebacho Yenshe, Professor of Law and Accounting, Stephen Asari, dodo na him na as Kweku Azar. Was say one kasa watnase. And yes, bo isi no or kasetia isi no or bo mabasu we mejiwedi a wo mo etimi ye ebo abato but wakeka figures in ya boom total valid vote constituency no total valid vote no 97,227 na enumu no ye sitting president na Akufo-Addo enya 46,379 and Mahama etiminya 52,034 na enukrampechi no there are other votes other parties no etimi enya ye na the total valid vote nya ended up at 97,227 valid vote now we can just the two ebomukrampa 46,379 plus 52,034 only 97 honoma. What about the other votes now? I can who can in Yaboma according to no additional year no, it is to add up to 98,413. And we say if this is the counter now valid votes no in all no total valid vote 97,228. What about the 1,000 a day? No, artists add all the votes no up from all the other candidates. So one also standing. I was a constituent man. Where are the other votes now?
This year okay.
Yeah.
Where is it coming from? Is it from EC?
Pink sheet now.
Pink sheet now. NDC for at the year of press conference. That's why he's referring to maybe. I don't know if I did that analysis.
Where EC for then one post say presidential results no.
Me pacho. Who is free EC for? And you'll be post. It's being circulated on social media.
Okay.
Send your modi video be ya. Yeah, it is a Jane Mensa declare Mahama no. And nam to social media no. That is the same way this pink sheet is circulating. And you know no fan or there analysis. Minia.
As a professor of law, say pink sheet
this is evidence and NDC for a day trouble thing. This is coming from the NDC.
Me, I'm speaking based on the professor Stephen Asari Kweku Azar.
But a professor can be misled. Meboa. Omo na mabontin ya. Omo omo ko demonstration ya as at now. Safi no makwele to results so wi aye nim no. Professor nka ho. Oh, ebi nka ho. Enim difo nka ho.
Yeah.
It's not about the professor now here. It's about being carried away for nothing. Minia, Electoral Commission, why you na juma? Sabio, some efu sobi ohwa. Emrane say court. It cut everything short. Court. That is the law.
So court is also not the only way around this issue. Enya court nkwa the emran was so many options or the man.
So obey then.
Obetima protest. You must make your petition, you must present your petition. And no womu abide by her sabe womu use and now so ma enra one minority.
What the petition call? Then the pan say petition maje and as a menu. The only high decision body. IT and look at the court bit much easy. And now 2012 NPP about 12 once a court. Court easy. A crime post is a mumma different body. And my may auditing me boy.
Yeah.
That is the process. Make ayawaso Mr. Azekamu Oko Owini parliamentary. Yes, it Jim Saji say from Mano. Case Nico court a book case not from few months to elections. It has been like that all the time. It has been like that all the time. And that is NDC for you. A day catch them be. And my ye declare elections. Now ye declare another. A man over 50%. So Ghana for what to about mano. I know what BT John Mama with over 500,000 votes. Now you bought John Mama, there's no people were jubilating. Why? Why?
Na Jina Techiman South Hawabim. There are some polling stations at NDC for and sign pin sheets. But still Techiman South results
About. Me pacho. Yeah, nipa do send a contest election. Presidential.
There were about 12 candidates. Presidential win.
Okay. I hope said the day of elections not until
yes, yeah, nanti mukakra.
Now could take a report to me boy.
Yes.
I have found a crocodile baby a win up 12 agents for the presidential no.
May who 12 in all that I go Bekakra some of them
doesn't mean say yenya 12 ni nyina momansa ni ntini yenye aba ntuma na ya nto aba ye declare ho.
But him say the biggest opposition here in Ghana NDC, and if anything would arise they will be the one in dispute. It is one side they are as important
as the person me kira won say emra na nkasa wo sanya na yenye ntumu.
Okay.
Enunti ena kuya donkwa fa agent anko no untimi nkasa wonye ntumu. Ni ameka no tiase.
Okay.
Say emra na say signature. And then was a presidential no every polling center be obeko ha munye ni 12 as agent. No munye na wi omo sign. And it will be still on sign. It doesn't change the result. And it doesn't I annul the elections. And maybe no interesa.
Now so on sign that the reason behind no credible enough and also no
what do? You proceed to court. That is the law. So one sign, what feels a case be said the 2012 NPP for demonstrating my reason who you know. You call court so no. Yamiadum, you know, camera. Aquaraqua workers how the elections went. For a day, could go when you say near the Marcot Pond, we are getting no, a daddy my who say election no, no be you. Young Chimba, you call court. The first time a bus up and I bring say, hey, and I'm the same for my chombra. But a papi to ye dem run and yes, street so, and they can't say way. Court. We started collating our result. A pink sheet ni a year necessary and we presented it. Ghana for who ye. Elections were declared with even finger of God polling station. I'll be any baby a war. Pink sheet, finger of God. Yeah, they declared John Mama to president. Finger of God polling station. obi antimi ankyerɛ yɛ baby kura ɛwo na nso yɛ to aba e declare result e ma order sani saye meanwhile no na ni baby ya ghost polling station figure of god eno kura no e John Mahama president enye ebinsi sa this time around minia emra no dawo isi say why na juma the results ni or they declare the elections. You see, parliament will be the number of parliamentarians are participating in our war. If you cry home, some more do citizens or more, and so more Canadian citizenship don't be contest election in our war. At the right time, you go into that.
Okay,
no, say, Omontiasia. What can they do? They have to go to court. I mean, so my NDC for 1 whole year. Omuntimin collective results on their court. So they will resort to say, Yenko Jira Mountain, Yenya Basa Basa, Yenko traffic, Yenshishe market, and the rest.
Why are you accusing someone almost share market?
Oh, for some of tape. For some of tape. Pentecost the more quotation you name my bonnie who was the winner and walker. Yen kidnapping crofo, ye more money your governable, and that is it. Then your mamma, but be beyond some will be an basabasa.
Sans them no at the Assaw court, I ye in Team Patrol, ye and no film because
our court,
yes, you make a final judgment or case.
But say about outside voice in the voice.
About but still now you judge the judge no say no and then the final sentence.
Me can't see him into more. Me say me tape no me say me waso no. Say yen kidnapping crofo, yen chin crofo, yen man crofo kwantimi no mu fie and this is what NDC plan to do.
And now me say me interest say emra say judge ni enka say we me bu ni for and I say me bu ni bima obi anu was right no nti enya ma oho no
for okasa beg to differ me mu ni for.
Okay.
Nemo me see ni tape e ba bonten sema was on America. And sema won tape ni so. Say yen kidnapping crofo. Yen kunkum nipa. Yen man enkofo kwantimi no mu fie. What I say? Better nyame wanwa. O hwe nyankopon abode a. E ma bonsam nya to ne ba aso pen obey basa basa. So wherever the evil, the devil is basa basa. Yeah, no. And Bible said by their deeds you shall know them.
Okay, the truth just say Ghanaians are saying EC favored the NPP. That's why they are not willing to allow the NDC to submit their petition to the EC. So they made the police and military stop the MPs on their way to the EC. No, so they're not better found because I can MPs and I think they are members of parliament. They have hands in making the laws that abide Ghana. Womu could be grandpa petition and compare representing. Now yes, woman quite.
Me did this video ni.
Yeah.
Say a deal boom on MPs. You saw how they were behaving.
Sir, then any braba.
Any brand saying any brand is so you can go vote. So petition, I'm a person more presenting my petition. Am I easier? You could have even sent one person or two people to meet the EC. So say yeah, your way. What me a poster? Me before say Amobakono, none of Rebel Radio. NDC ni repa oba. Ebe hinti before 9. Meanwhile, is reporter omo can say is so nya omulete no 10 o'clock and they got the 11.
It's no one
NDC rep NDC ni kushia radio so aye kwa debate no. Give that information out before 9. Na is now also call no no. Cry any same information some more. Minia. Yen kan kire NDC for. Ye hundom di ye Ghana for daylight robbery 2012. Ya two above from 92 opaque ballot paper a box. Ya two na dey bedu say. Any election bia na akoso ameka say 92. You say the protest in the course. A true story. The stolen verdict. The later Dubois. You see there. You call Supreme Court. You cast the Supreme Court. Your evidence we do. After 8 to 9 months, I kind of now witnessing our good and solid case. He took a Tuguba within less than 5 minutes to give his verdict. You see, you bo enyo so, but guarantee. You ain't even Ghana and she. Now say Ghana we. That's what do. That's what be the president. That's what be Pebia and take Ghana. If I so ben also. Ya nye basa. We allow, but we learned from it. Say, you see, elections are won at the polling stations. Elections. But the Supreme Court ruling, elections are won at the polling stations, not on the street. Not burning markets. No.
Okay, Gideon Vagen and also EDB Abawa say all results can never be collated because it was all from the NPP strong room. According to Onono Diano, said the NTNDC fought me. One coalition emani CP and say if we strong room and eba
pink sheet yet no NPP headquarters. Pink sheet no yet no NPP headquarters ana.
It's more manipulating elections no in any way.
How? Mami, how?
I said
you talk about no polling center ho.
Okay.
And ye parties in pen oh. Observers nipa biblia kuku ho and ye kan. Even so, you mistake a crowd will be there. I got to be more. Or be a gentle to me catch your master or to my way. So, how can somebody say a cook figures? From where? From where?
And why is that some of the pink sheets are available to the NDC? So, adding to the Munyasa or Munya access to such documents for one as one way.
Mammy, miss out. I'm for agent uncle.
The agents call you.
See, I may not say. Maybe say a pink sheet as a makia don't go on Kabi. Not because we need interest relation, but because of one agent uncle. And one know your pink sheet. Now, would the agent call her? Yeah, it got to a point. Now, you be intact. No, NDC polling agent back or then pink sheet could die. And they were searching for him no doom the phone. So if you go out with such agent, Ube Bloom easy. Ube Bloom NPP. Please, they should give us break. So omo nya pink sheet now. No money ho na declare abano. No money ho na etu abano. Ye kan no money ho. And the pink sheet don't question on ho. Some agents no so they should blame the agent. When in the end is for you, and the even at all the 275 collating centers for the elections, constituency centers, no, they have one lawyer. The lawyers crack or be in a kind. Lawyers across the country. Lawyers who were trained by a lawyer Mariba. And it's almost cut out across the country. And no, and then so many pinch it no cut on over for nothing.
Nantis one case, if the whole Kenya say NDC don't have a basis for their protesting win, one case, why are they bent on doing it? Because it's like they need justice to be served. Or we cried the question about the truth. You'll see if the EC believes the results are transparent. Why is Jen Mensah on leave while the country is in hard times like this? It means she knows what she has done and she doesn't love her country. She's a fraud. because say bibia the din as everything is in its way and that na kwai mu na to say wo bia anya okia. Why is it that still now NDC is pushing hard at the EC say only bibi found ade no
Miniaba da ben na NDC for say start your demonstration
right after I think the 9th of December.
Utie the various interviews our Muncroft granted.
Yes.
Yes,
me tie bi pa.
Say ubi so mo say oma quality result. Na figures the say ka say.
Oh, baby atwem ka me say omo anka say presidential no omo timi quality results ni bi na te say omo de atoto EC de no baby a EC ye mistake baby omo exaggerate figures e de ma NPP ni baby a omo eti omo figures ni an omo post omo de beto ho.
Yeah, mama. Matie omo mpanyinfo party mpanyinfo omo lawyers house omo so anopa omo responded to the various media houses interviews. They will tell us if no quality of result.
Okay.
You declare election in year no. You started demonstrating. Meanwhile, you have not collated your result. So why are you on the street?
So they had doubts about the outcome. Sene West says Sene West they call court no, it came out in their favor. Meaning said they had a case.
Maybe Sene West.
Okay.
Easy. It declare one.
When declare.
Until case better no more. Honey ye. Me can you ye. Me boa.
It added to NPP member of parliament no opposite no.
T. Omukọ eko kan wie. Om kan wie ye. Ana om declare. Om declare as me wo chire. Maybe so. As
in can kokota and can NPP ni befa because no say ono no afa aba.
Na de kokot. NPP no de kokot. Ko ne ka tell say owura. Election so betim de kokot I just say declare we. You declare we yan kan de ni we declare we. E de na ma de ba court. It is say we asemi ha. Kono mko kan aba ni we. Omo kan we so declare na so who problem one. Then you come to court. Because aka ballot box in bia na kan ye omo se obi ekotam ye omo time ko ekwaje bae no na seal ni bi wo ha wotwa okay je no ye kan ye eno kura no MPP ji tun wo mko kan ye omo declare ye na MPP aka say wo ho. That is the procedure. Nti wono yenya ekase kufu no winia pen ade chie na asedu katia na mrantie ne maba wa mutisi monti obra ne mate abrochire results very and omodi here ya amunya conviction said they have won the elections the omonti ase they were playing with people's mindset the nkrofu atwen na ye adwuma nkrofu atwen and on the year, Juma. And a minority. I call you press conference. Did they even talk about the presidential elections? They only cited Techiman out.
Okay, remember on no cry so due to minority leader Haruna Idris and also NSMA say they whatever to draw area to media anymore say one petition in and say easy any recollation of a year Techiman South Constituency ballot I cast on only recollation of all the results. Na eno na kwa condition as I said the omudima is no say one more ever represented inauguration 7th January inauguration as in some bad year na adi EC a year collation. I am out for say okay mami and I'm out for say omo kasa na womo dia to me say presidential no nyu omo dia biem na say because
they are not making that argument again.
You was saying say almost
for the whole week. What is almost that presidential assembly? Me bisa.
Me sure dante.
Now no, they are given easy condition. Catch them. Say swearing in is a choice. They can decide not to come. It will not stop the program. Swearing in one ma and the other president is Zwana.
They are part of the house.
No, in the other president is Zwana. NPP bokoto parliament. Former the late runs wemu na de. O did 4 years. Mebwa. Asa call election 1996. We boycotted the whole parliament for that period of 4 years. Omanpanina notice one year na juma so omanpanina.
Say it has to do with our democracy so because your democracy basically be your juma manaso enia. The two parties must come together.
I was say ye say ye mra na nkase se wuni wa ye ntimi nye. Ye mra no say ye declare ye best president in opa parliament ko ye best in. That is the law. But my young can say NDC for a boycott to swearing in. It means a coup for the elected president. Or you elected president, the best swearing in. Omanko, you best swearing in. He has been declared elected.
Okay, what about
if they have problem like what we did in 2012? Yes, so Mahama in Yanko. So Bekaya for only invited former president Kufuor. And no crane as here man in court. It took the intervention of the security forces. And sana president Kufuor enya kwai akọ nana do anko campaign fu anko doesn't mean say your friends one we went to court and you know yes when you know doesn't mean say yan continue your mama is when 2012 na nyeduma
juma
and you know media like this my platform is there for 3 things: education, entertainment, and information. Young canon to Ghana for Trimo say you declare will be so a president. I at to by you. Now ya gazetted result. Who problem on one you can challenge it at court. So open say ye order na easy ekokaya ba you go to court. You do that through the court process. And yet through the original radio interview and answer your press conference. Now why you strategy easy? Do this before we do that. No. We are not talking, we are not sharing anything. That's about NPP winning. Asa, that settles it. On the 7th, you be sworn and do dankwa akufuano. And then the MPs are on the in. You can choose not to be there. Omo pekura na say yes MPs in now they should even boycott it. It's their own case. And NPP we can say the 7th parliament. Yes MPs in nobody say honorable Kennedy Japan no to can only here. Does this stop so MP na? We are educating people. Yeah, to abana we. Yeah, declare election na we. Nana do Dankwa Akufo-Addo has been declared the elected president of Ghana up to 2024. The best one in on the 7th of January. And the end this may be determined. Say best when he has in. He has been declared and the law mandated say the best sworn in by the Chief Justice. Now what was so abune mai? Ye wo mai buo. Ye wo development agenda. And NPP government will be focused to develop Ghana. And then we see mu consumer who say Oman basis street light posts, new ones. As an assembly member, many aje. Because development, this is what we are in to do. Yeah, because I deliver at the Ghana for. Yeah, watch the share Ghana for. And only
Mr. Okuma, in fact, the question backward, no so by and famous. If the pink sheets are really what the EC used to declare the winner, then why are the figures not accurate or matched to that of NDC pink sheets? Even the percentage is not balancing. I just say, ever since a declaration by you say EC are making changes every figures.
Mame, me pacho, please. medical council say you were educating and informing. Easy, and make only one correction. Only one correction. Only changes baby. You can't why changes baby. It seems like because this propaganda ni bitu na mono. And we educating people. Easy, and make only correction once, and that correction will make can never overturn any of the results. It can never overturn any of the result. Please, we shouldn't be following NDC propaganda set our set here to her. And then omatimia ya kwediti Jane Mensa video so we declare John Mahama, and that is NDC for you. And so if
that's the case, what laws can regulate this kind of thing? Because say information now, it's not in the right taste. I didn't know they are still on the same track.
Oh, and this is for set agenda. Now agenda no ma set and say we fear petrol na gufo. Expecting you also be permanents. No more sad. NPP don't believe in that. We are the property owning Democrats. We believe in economy. Until Ghana yes the process is ongoing. You are talking about we declare Menoka say transition team. Egusu yomoduma na den sani ebeya nanado on the 6th of January. Now the first time I ended within some few hours I say I'm sweating back because 12 o'clock midnight. Now the time I ended I was say at the Chianopa
7th no
on the 7th. Yes, when in na osatwa na dwuma so emrano ewo ho NDC die do mi nyina bom say ye to ba wi a it was specific days bia on tia say you can go to court that time ni twam wi a there's nothing you can do again lost. What you say they are lost.
Okay.
And this one from Ranzo so near Juma there, and Ranzo on to be due. And we will get there. We will get there.
Okay, Mr. Uku, you didn't come on no ebe finally no then a person won't car and check on for.
Medimano ebe no. And the asidaka see and a magana phone na e wo gidia omunya wo na adodankwa akufu adumu. As a man on a second term mandate, so from Twafu, no, and she power they a good Mama Ghana, one district, one factory, one village, one dam, school feed or expand even in COVID, Dimua, you were your mamma Tassima Kore Kumnipa over 248. We didn't have another team born home more than managino. I mean, we are seeing in a Bogana Basso on Koso. And mind that transformational leadership. Na jide na enyaw wodumuno enso abapa. O kan kwe central. Jide ayenya ewo na wo pataki abo amamu. Say o boyen am transform the whole community. Say jide na enyaw wodumuno enso abapa. Enti NPP abai the coalitions. Yet easy. Any declaration no easy is the only power to declare elections. Easy declare your gazette. So be a once in because on TBBSia. And your court. So the echo say NPP kita double citizens. You fam branch and some cochino say only MP. No. The processes are there. You go to court. I know the master can be a quadra prison for 2 years. Or the film by Yare or the film. What I say? It's here from Rana and say, Yenya, yen evidence no you proceed to court so ni 2 years eno yes na ho ma yen so be years ye mari 2 years am ye ko buy election wo we know umara ni mu yen ko ho ntokwa awa bonten e be fa mra kwan so dia kan asem nsa so na se yen nuanu ma NDC fo wo mra se pobi wo abato ya to declare no ho a emran so da ho a so mtimi ye de efa so e de kan asem so mo hwe na so muni asem bia so betimi de akokota ene e be sere wo omunya hoyo ene nsem die na wo magana enko nanim na omunyai yenko hihye ayi ties yemubu die abrantie bi wo social media na ohwe ni video bi a waye se oyiye na nado even to the extent so mo be hihye or even mention Peace FM and other media houses so mo ntwen no mo ba ho na jomama no mtu abama no telling you the NDC agenda imsene ubeda be sore na kantama ntoahye ubeda be sore na kanesiasi ubeda be sore na edwa kofobia ni ifra hihia. You should know the people who are behind it. It's Ghana for another some for tape any NDC for only any almost more can I say it just in na yomo na sem kofu we ye the two mission some money na e be say Ghana for ye fam pa bonta na na dan kwakufu adochi na omu oman no na Ghana enko ye nim enfa entuma pa infra ye be say mabunu. So bibe catch us be sin kwa bonten na kwa demonstration hwese nipa ko na yere ne baka ho ana omu ntimi form manko gu Dubai Canada enkura kase so emmo mba zia menoti he bi cruise pa obi da swimming pool bi mu dware ya eni je bi omoje no we cannot risk our life for them to enjoy. It's only babunu na say obi be catch us je kwa bonten kwa basa. Think about yourself. Be your mama bre, your papa bre. Wan kasa fie kakra na fo oni so abrabo mu no na fa tu hofo obanyansafo ye bunu be na yen kana sen NDC betwam NPP betwam. What about you? Kwa basa na boni bia so ni ba yi bia so na katwia wo kwa shinkrofo ties cars mbasani ama but akatwia ewo ho futu amade be mabu me meti hai mi nya maduma enko sisi tie. I won't do it. I'll use that productive hours no to make a gain. But baby bia fa so be ba so mama. I'll not waste it for nothing.
Even if it was to be your party in dispute?
For nothing.
Okay.
What do I say? I will not waste that time for nothing. We had no bank, I could you also demonstration. So, a bank out. I could not say a demonstration. I could say tie. Maybe so.
Dabi, unya bread car.
Huh? I then the MPs in the Kurano. Among Fiti Fianco, they went to Parliament. I could tell them this about Parliament, Meboa.
Yeah.
As an Omokoho. They are making meaningful life. What about you? What about you? Our future is bright. Let's protect it. Number my politicians been moved for your drain in Yagrosa. People will buy you by how you package and respect yourself. And we babuna place value on yourself so that will be me forward journey and could diagro. Mofa mamro na wo die meka ono no wafa ba ni bi. Ono wafa ba ni bi.
Ebusuafo Mr. Patrick Ewuku oye assemblyman Edema Woyeman makani yepa Woyeman electoral electoral constituency
Area.
electoral area mo fa chemi assemblyman Edma Woyeman electoral area na wasa NPP representative ene no edin komo edefa ensem sema amanu meso fa Techiman South ye aba ye to wo hono na enkomo no ye dinia no modemato ncheba nyakopo enhira mo pa wo no so kire na adwen efa wo nti sadin twani bi obebi wa wonye unchese wadwen encheda nya ofan wo ho a obetimi akoso ede aba na ebepa nima so no ye bebo mode aso ede ho enchesa no ye ede ama na and then no first time I wish to my GH abomodia na subscribe na biem so no follow yen ebo ye Instagram and your Twitter handles at @tumagh_ Facebook so ye tumagh and then me na me di edwumade yin uchi me din edina na ama uza